The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for individuals looking to earn money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there are many ways to make dollars on the internet. Here are some popular options to consider. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. This can be a great way to earn money while working from home and setting your own schedule. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions, and online surveys provide an easy way for individuals to earn money by sharing their thoughts and feedback. Websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars offer cash or gift card rewards for completing surveys. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through a blog, website, or social media channels. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring students online. Websites like Chegg and VIPKid connect tutors with students in need of extra help. Selling products online. You can start an online store and sell products on websites like Amazon or Etsy. This can be a great way to turn a hobby into a profitable business. Drop shipping. This involves selling products without having to hold inventory. You can partner with a drop shipping company, such as Oberlo, to source products and handle fulfillment. Blogging. Creating a blog and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money online. Social media influencer. Building a following on social media can lead to opportunities for sponsored posts, brand collaborations, and affiliate marketing. Online consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer consulting services and earn money by providing advice and guidance. Online investing. Investing in stocks, bonds, or other assets can be done online, and it can be a great way to earn money through returns on your investment. These are just a few examples of the many ways to make dollars on the internet. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests and skills, and to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your internet income stream into a successful and profitable venture.